Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we're making Nyama Choma. As you can see, it's so delicious and so easy to make, so stay tuned and watch the video to the end. So for this recipe I've used 250-gram beef steak, but you can use maybe T-bone if you love bones. Then on the marinade I've used 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. Then I'm going to squeeze in some lemon juice. I've used 1 lemon. Then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil, but if you have olive oil, that's the best, you can use that. After that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then I'm going to crush in some black pepper. I'm using fresh black pepper, but you can use the powdered one if you have. Then I'm going to add in some salt to taste. After that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala, but you can add as more spices as you wish. As for me, I've used only paprika and garam masala. Then you're going to mix it. Then cover it with a cling film, then put it in a fridge to marinate for 2 hours. But if you're going to cook it the following day, you're going to marinate it for 24 hours. After 2 hours of marination, you're going to remove it from the fridge, then going to place it on a baking tray which is lined with aluminum foil. Then you're going to bake it or roast it in the oven at 200 degrees for 1 hour. Thank you so much for always choosing to watch my videos, and I hope you'll try this recipe. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. Until next time, bye.